Hi guys, welcome back. Sony's latest flagship smartphone, the Xperia 1 X, is set to launch on May 17th. While it appears to be a modest upgrade, there are still exciting updates in store camera, triple rear setup. The Xperia 1 6 boasts a triple rear camera setup, ultra wide angle 16, IDA lens, wide angle 24, the OL lens 48mm with 2x optical zoom, telephoto zoom 85-170mm lens, up to 7x zoom. Sony equips the 24mm lens with its Exmor T for mobile, stacked CMOS image sensor. With the latest image processing, the company claims that photos taken with this lens will rival those from its full-size cameras. Additionally, macro photography is supported. Camera software, streamlined experience. Sony is finally consolidating its camera apps. Gone are Photography Pro, Videography Pro, and Cinema Pro, replaced by a single user-friendly app inspired by its Alpha series cameras. The Xperia 1 6 also introduces human pose estimation technology from Sony's Alpha line, allowing for pinpoint focus on subjects even when they're facing away or have obscured faces, ideal for sports photography. The new Video Creator app simplifies video production using your existing photos and videos. Audio, enhanced sound experience, a new high-performance audio chip, and circuit improvements promise an even more dynamic, clear sound experience compared to the Xperia 1 V. High-res audio wireless 360 reality audio, LDAC, DSE Ultimate, and even a 3.5mm jack ensure both wired and wireless audio excellence. Audiophiles will appreciate that Sony Pictures and Sony Music engineers have tuned the sound profile of the Xperia 1 6 speaker, delivering enhanced bass and clarity. Design, sleek and secure, Sony Xperia 1 6 colors. The Xperia 1 6 features frosted textured glass on the back, complemented by fine slits on the sides for a secure grip. It will be available in black and platinum silver colors, display, bright and vibrant. The upgraded OLED display is now 1.5x brighter than the Xperia 1 V, with a 19.59 aspect ratio and variable refresh rates ranging from 1Hz to 120Hz. The Xperia 1 6 ensures exceptional contrast, color and clarity. Sunlight Vision Mode boosts outdoor visibility, and Bravia HDR remaster technology further enhances the visual experience. Performance and battery life. Snapdragon power. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset will power the Xperia 1 6, improved heat diffusion, and a vapor chamber combat overheating during extended use. Sony promises 2 full days of use from the 5000 mAh battery, and upgraded battery health technology extends its lifespan to 4 years. Wireless and reverse wireless charging are also supported. Gaming-focused features, lightning fast and optimized. While similar to its predecessor, Sony's focus on gaming features stands out. 248 touch scanning rate for lightning fast response, adjustable white balance for spotting enemies, Razor, low gamma razor, for revealing players in dark areas, FPS optimizer for sustained high frame rate gaming. Sony Pictures content, movie streaming bonus. In select regions, Xperia 1 6 donors will enjoy 1 year of free Sony Pictures movie streaming. Additionally, they'll have access to up to 5 Sony movie titles, remastered with IMAX video and DTS sound, all optimized for the device. That's all guys, hope you like this video. If you like, hit like. See you next video. Goodbye.